A statement from the Trump administration says Sally Yates, who was appointed as U.S. Attorney General by former President Obama, betrayed the Department of Justice by refusing to enforce his order. This comes after a rocky few days in the president's administration over the immigration ban. Tonight, President Donald Trump firing Acting Attorney General Sally Yates, who told her department to not defend his immigration ban in court. The president says it's time to get serious about protecting America, naming Dana Benty, a U.S. attorney from Virginia, to serve as Acting Attorney General. The effects of the immigration order are being felt by Reza Jalali.
I said this. Listen, at this point, you got it. Even God cannot take it away from you.
The Bedford man has been in New Hampshire for 40 years now. It took his brother Hami, a doctor in Iran, 12 years to finally get a visa to immigrate to the United States. But when Hami's family went to the airport Friday with all their belongings, they weren't allowed to board because of the travel ban.
This is totally useless, and it's not going to accomplish anything.
An attorney is working with the family and says paperwork should allow Hami's family into the country. Trump's executive order suspends immigration from 7 Muslim-majority countries for about 3 months. It also halts the U.S. refugee program for 4 months and indefinitely prevents Syrian refugees from entering the U.S. The White House says the move is aimed at securing America's borders.
You don't know when the next threat's coming. You don't know when the next attack's coming. And so the best you can do is to get ahead of it, because if you wait, you're going to be reacting.
We are a nation of immigrants.
In the fallout, protests at airports across the country and around the world. As for New Hampshire, UNH law professor Aaron Corcoran advises students from one of the affected 7 countries to not leave the United States.
Are they going to be able to continue their studies here? Is their family going to be able to come and visit them? Those are all questions that we're trying to field.
The White House also saying tonight that calling for tougher vetting for people from dangerous countries is not extreme. Dana Benty will act as AG until Congress votes to confirm the president's nominee, Senator Jeff Sessions. Also today, the president also appointed the executive associate director of the U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement to acting director. Reporting live in the studio, Mike Cronin, WMUR News 9.